welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update methods, and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to create a 711 proxy and how to connect it using your mobile phone. Without further ado, let's get started. This is an alternative for 9 proxy, and there are other proxy you can check also, so which I'll be dropping video about other proxy in this channel. So if something you don't want to miss, kindly hit the subscribe button. So let's dive in. So first of all, you go to your browser, check for 711 proxy, start 711 proxy, 711 proxy. This is 711proxy.com. So once you visited the website, start. It's very easy, just simple process. So once you visited it, you sign up, start. So let's log out here. You click on these three dots by your right corner, then sign up. You see the sign up at the down. So I already have my own account, so I'll just log in. So I'll be logging my own details. So after you have signed up, you can see it here. So all you have to do is you can change your website to desktop mode. You change it to desktop mode to be easy for you to get some kind easy way to go about this website. So it's very easy. So just you can decide not to change, but to be safer, just use desktop mode. So you can locate them. You can locate desktop mode in any of your browser you have. So just scroll down. I'll change it to desktop mode. After I change it to desktop mode, this is how it will look like. Then I can zoom. So click on this dot. Look at this three menu by the left corner. You see it. So once you click it, you need to buy IP. They have this thing you should already know about proxy. There's GB plan, there's IP plan. So we are using the IP plan for the purpose of the video. So you go with your IP, click on IP. So once you click on IP, it will take you to this interface. So to redeem your CD key, you can see we have the different parts. You can see CD key, just like the way we redeem Pierre proxy that year. So it's still same way. So just click import your CD key, then you click on redeem. So I'll be loading my CD key now. So once you buy your CD key from me, you come to this interface. This interface here, you will see enter CD key, then you paste it. Then click on redeem. So let's redeem the CD key. You can see now we have successfully loaded the IPS. You can see, so you can zoom in, you can zoom out. So the next thing to do is to generate our proxy so that we can use it on our super proxy app. We'll be using super proxy app to connect this. So after you have loaded your IPS, the next thing to do is very easy. You scroll up a little bit. Then in this global mix, you select your country you want to use. So let's go with United States. Then select it. Once you select your country, you scroll by the left. You can choose the country you want. Let's choose any state, like any state you want. So once you choose your state, in this sub user, you can leave that. Then scroll up. So once you scroll up to the down part, you see where the rows generate. You can click on generate. So once it generates, you can see it. They'll give you 10 random proxy stand. You can use any of this. So you can use any of this to on your super proxy, because that's what we're using. We're using our super proxy app to connect it. So in this place, in this interface now, you can copy any of it stand. The meaning of this is selected from this output format. This output format is, you see the output format as they arrange it: the host name, the port, username, and password. So that is how it is here in this proxy list: the host name, the port, the username, and the password. So to not confuse yourself, you just copy any of it, copy it to the last, go to your notepad, separate it. So this is the host, the this thing, the port, the username. Username is the one that is too long very well. So the username, then the password for the username. So everything is after the colon, the colon in between. So you can just delete those colon. So like this now, you go to your super proxy app. If you haven't downloaded the super proxy, go to your Play Store or App Store. You start, this is super proxy, then you can open it. So once you go to your Play Store or App Store, search for super proxy. Once you search for it, this is it, you can open it. Then once you have downloaded it, open it, this is what you will see. Then you click on add proxy. So in this profile name, you can put anything there. Let's just write United States. This place, this protocol is subscribed. So this server is still name is still same as the this thing here, this first one here. You just paste it. So it will check mark. The port is 2000, maybe okay, 20,000. So you can 20,000. The authentication method, you change it to username and password. So after you change it, you then copy the username. This is username start. So copy it, paste it, start. Then come to this password also. You copy it, you paste it. So you can see it. So once it's correct, they'll give you, everything will be check mark. So once you are corrected, you can see, then you click on this save button by the right corner. So once you click on save button like that, so once you click on start, you wait for it. Let's check if we are connected, because it has started like this. Now let's check if our IP has been connected successfully. So you just go to your word.net or IPS location. Let's use any of them. So I'll be using word.net to check my IP. So let's check if it's connected to it. So we wait for it to load to check. So let's check it. Let's check our IP. So you can see it's very easy to do. See our IP is in the United States. Now you can see we are in 90% this guys. So you can also use this website to check our IP. So it's done. If you're enjoying this video so far and don't want to miss update like this, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more tech update like this. It's done. So you can use IPS location to check your IP, to check if you are connected successfully. Also, you can see 85. So this will give you everything that is checkmark in this your IP. This is your proxy. Once you connected, you can see it now. So the only thing now, if you change this our time to United States, everything will be 185% this time. If you change our time to California time, it will be 100. So that is how to connect your 711 proxy, and this is an alternative for night proxy that is not functioning like this for now. So And there are other proxies too also, which I will be dropping the video after this. I'll drop another video about another proxy, so you guys should check those proxies out. So see you next in my next video, guys. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.